and welcome everybody. What a beautiful day. Lots of sunshine, warm temperatures. We were kind of hanging out right around 80 degrees or so. A lot of clouds now starting to move in, and these storms, of course. And any lingering storm still has the potential of producing some isolated damaging wind gusts. And so there is technically a slight risk of severe weather over us, but all that is kicking down to the east and a little bit to the southeast fairly quickly. We do have a cold front coming through. So naturally, along that, we get a couple of these storms, and behind it, we'll have a drop in humidity, drop in temperatures just a little bit, and some breezy winds for the day tomorrow. But notice, kicking things off here again this evening, quite a few of these storms are rolling through. Damaging wind, straight line wind is going to be the concern there. And that's why we have the slight risk of severe weather, maybe a little hail as well. As that front moves through, it should clear everything out. A couple drips maybe Tuesday as that cold air starts to move in. And we'll have breezy winds. So storms clear, breezy and cooler for our Tuesday. And then we slowly start warming up towards the end of the week with dry weather all the way until about maybe Friday, Saturday. So we have high pressure that's moving over us, and it's going to slide down to our southeast. We're going to be on the northern edge of that high pressure going into the weekend. So it still kind of has an influence on us, but the storms may ride that edge. And so that's where we're looking at our threat going into the weekend. So anyhow, forecast lows out the door in the upper 40s, and check out the peak wind gusts, maybe 30 miles per hour out of the west, which diminish going into Wednesday. So that's some good news. And Thursday, highs topping out in these mid 50s with ample sunshine out here. Upper 50s again on Wednesday. Then we start warming up Thursday, 63. We're back up to 73. We'll have some breezy winds developing out of the south. Again, riding on the top of that high pressure dome. Have a few storms. We may be in the midst of that Saturday, and just a few isolated storms Easter Sunday.